In this ticket how-to, we will cover ticket types and the ability to define a ticket type, then set a type for a ticket. Say if you would like to pre-assign a ticket to a specific type using a template, if you would like to set after the fact from an existing ticket to set the type, whether you're looking to categorize things a bit better, organize them into things like I have a few examples here where we have tickets organized into like incidents, requests, favors, education, just more events and more organized what types of tickets you have coming in to your environment. So we are in the web app and we are looking at the ticket type settings. We can get there through the gear by selecting ticket types. Once here, we'll see a list of the current types. If you would like to make a new ticket type, just select the new option here in the header. That opens up the new form where you give a new type name and you can set it to the default if you would like to. You don't need to have a default for a ticket type, but you can set one. So once you are looking at the ticket types here, we have the click and drag handler here if you'd like to reorder the list. So just like the status, category, and priority values, ticket types are a picker value, which means that they're a drop down that has a set order. And if you'd like to, you can also nest types. So we see that I have nested incident underneath fix. And of course I don't want that, so I'm going to drag it away and I'm going to reorder it. So now I have my set of ticket types here, and if you would like to remove a ticket type from the dropdown, then you can select the options here and then archive. If you'd like to update a name, perhaps if you had a typo or just a change in your process, you can either select more options and then edit, or just select the ticket type name to open up the edit form. And then once you're here, you can update the form, set the default if you'd like it to be default, and then select update. So that covers creating a new ticket type, sorting ticket types, archiving, and then once a ticket is unarchived, you just have another option here to unarchive it. So now that we have covered managing ticket types, how do we use them? So you have a few options. One is to have a preset ticket type when you are submitting a template. So if we go to our template settings, we can look at a template and we'll see some of the preset values. So we're going to open up the software request template. And then in the ticket properties here, we see I have a good number of properties preset and we have ticket type here. So when a user submits the software request custom form, either through just ticket deflection in the help bot, or if you send the form manually from the web app when you apply a template, you can say, hey, I want to set a specific ticket type. So the software request, we can say it's a fix, an incident, or what have you. Or if we want to make a new one, probably make a like a software or just a service request ticket type. So once you've done that, hit save. And then when the user submits that custom form or that ticket template is applied, it'll apply this ticket type. To set and view the ticket type for a specific ticket, go ahead and go over to the tickets dashboard. And then once the ticket dashboard loads, we will see our list of tickets. We'll see our types here. So we see that these types are all just regular old incidents. We're going to open a ticket, and then in the edit page, we will expand properties and we'll be able to see type. So we see that the type is here. We have the drop down of our order that we set, and we have our little card here showing the type as well. If you would like to also use the ticket type in bulk editing, you can as well. So we go back to the tickets dashboard. We'll select a couple tickets to bulk edit, and then we see that we have type. So you select that, and that means we're going to be setting the typed education for any of these selected tickets. If you leave it unchecked, that means the type will just stay what it was before. In this case, it would be incident for both tickets. Okay, so that covers creating a new ticket type, updating your existing ticket types, whether you're sorting them or nesting them, and how to use the ticket type to add in a template, how to view it directly within a edit ticket screen, and how to set it through bulk editing.